Hi everyone. Today I have Abel's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller on my test bench. Abel sent this to me because, like so many other pellet controllers of this type, the auger was not driving in automatic mode. So I've made some repairs, replaced some components, and I'm ready to do a final test on it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and when we do, we should see the combustion and the convection room fan come on. And here we go, and there they are. I should be able to switch through the different intensities of the lights. Oh, I had it all the way up. So I had it all the way up. There we go. We can control it. I can also do the manual feed, which turns the auger on. And if I go to manual, the light should go to, for the convection fan, should go to maximum. So I'm ready to press the auger button here. And when I do that, this will turn on the indicator at the very top. And at the same time, behind here, we'll eventually see the auger drive indicator come on and off, blink on and off. So let's go ahead and do that. So there we go. We've got our automatic indicator on, and we're just going to wait for the auger light to come on. And at the same time, the yellow marker light should come on when we see the green light in the background come on here. We have it on low, so it's not going to be on for a long period of time. Just waiting for it to happen here. There we go. So we saw the green LED in the back behind the faceplate come on, and at the same time the auger motor indicator came on. So we'll go through one more cycle of that, and then I'll cycle through the intensity level, and there we go. And as I go through the intensity level, we see the convection room fan run a little louder or a little longer. And as I do that, I'm going to go to max. Once the auger comes on, we see that it stays on a much longer period of time. So as the intensity is set to max, the auger drives for a little longer, causing more pellets to drop into the pot, the fire pot, and the fire to burn hotter. So there we go. I'm going to turn it back down, and when we're all the way back down, we see that the convection room fan is low, and the auger indicator will stay on for a much shorter period of time. There we go. So that's it. Abel, your pellet stove controlling is functioning exactly like it should. I want to thank you very much for sending that to me, and I'll be returning that to you shortly. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.